Hello everyone, welcome back to Exclusive Models. Hope everyone have good day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut a dress. I'll be combining these two fabrics together. The upper part is going to be this, the middle one is going to be this fabric, and the down one is also going to be this fabric. This is a dotted fabric, a flowered dotted fabric and a plain dotted fabric. So I'm combining the two together. This is 2.5 yards of fabric and this is 1.5 yards of fabric. So the full length is 55 inches, the back measurement is 16 inches, and that is what we'll be deducting from here. So I'll be deducting from the shoulder to the chest, which I'll be using 9 inches with the seam allowance. I'll be using 9 inches with the seam allowance here. Then this is going to be the middle part of the dress, and this also is going to be the down part. So that's all I'm going to cut out now. The first thing I'll be deducting here is the half cut, which is the 9 inches. The 9 inches is going to be this, you can see. Then I'll be adding half into it to make it 9.5 inches. That is seam allowance. This is the 9 inches that I'm talking about. Then I'll be folding these 9 inches into 4, leaving the zip allowance at the back. Yes, this is my zip allowance here. You can make any use of any inches of your choice. This is 0.8 inch for the zip allowance. So I'm going to cut this excess out. Then I'm going to start my measurement. The measurement I'll be using here, the shoulder measurement is going to be 8 inches. And I told you the shoulder is 16 inches, then this is there by 2. And I'm going to leave half inch of shoulder slant, half inch of shoulder slant. So from that half inch, I'll be taking my armhole measurement of 8 inches as well. Let's see. So from this armhole measurement, I'll be taking my bust measurement of 36 inches. So this is 36 inches. 9 in 4 places is going to give us 36 inches. So with a seam allowance of 3 inches, the seam allowance is not constant. It depends on the seam allowance you want to put. Then I'm going to connect these lines together. So after this, I'm going to connect this to the center like this. So the next thing that I make here is to cut it out. So the next thing here is to cut the neckline. The neckline, I'll be using 3 inches for the wideness of the neck. I'll be using 3 inches for the deepness of the front, 3 inches for the front neck, 2 inches for the back neck. The next thing here is to cut it out. We are done with the half cut, and this there's going to be a zip here at the back. So we are done with the half cut here. So the next one is to cut out the middle part of it and the down part to make it a complete dress. So this is the 1.5 I'm using for the middle. This is the 1.5 I'm using for the middle. Then I'll be folding it into 2 this way. Then into 4. This is now into 4 places. This is for both back and the front. for both back and front. This is into 4. After folding it into 4 this way, the next thing you're going to take is the bust measurement here. No, this is the area we're going to attach to the half cut. So you have to make it the exact measurement. So that is 9. This is what we use there. This 9 inches and 3 inches of seam allowance. Then from here now, I'll be taking 9 inches up to 45 inches. This is 45 inches. This is the length I will be using. You know, 9 inches plus 45 plus for 9 inches to 45 inches. Now it remains 10 inches to make a complete dress. And that is the plain that we'll be joining to it. So from here, I'm going to make a slant cutting to the down part. You can see this is how I'm going to cut it out. So you can see this is now the upper part. So I have to knot. I'll be knotting the center this way. So we are done with the middle part of the dress. To make the down part. So the down part now, I'll be deducting 12 inches. You know, the actual measurement is supposed to be 10 inches. Then I'm going to use that 2 inches for the seam allowance. I'll be cutting for both front and back. That means it's going to be 24 inches. This is now 12 inches for the front and 12 inches for the back. That's it. So what you mean here is cut out the sleeve. This is the sleeve now. You're done with the cutting, the sleeve, the half cut, the middle part of the dress, and the down part. So the next thing here is just to go and join all that together and show you the finishing.